This is my Coway Mighty AP1512 in the white colorway. It also comes in a black colorway. In this video, I'm going to show you what makes it special, why you should check it out for yourself, and, well, I've had mine for 3 years. I have it in both colors, so let me show you. I got it in white and I got it in a black colorway. So let me show you what's the difference between the two. But to be honest, I could do that right away. Right here, this is the old logo, maybe the 2-3 years ago logo. And Coway now has put their new logo, which is a lowercase with the Air Mega in the uppercase. So let's take a closer look and let me explain to you why you might want to check this out for yourself. This is the Coway AP1512 Mighty Air Purifier. It's for rooms up to 361 square feet, and I've had the black one for over 3 years. One thing special about this is that they have an eco mode. They have a variable fan speed from 1 to 3, as well as auto mode, and it comes with an ionizer. Now, people might be like, oh, do I want the ionizer? Do I not want the ionizer? The ionizer does emit a little bit of ozone. So if you don't want any of the ozone, don't turn on the ionizer. However, for a lot of people, that's going to be the 4th stage of filtration, because that's going to use ion particles to attract even more pollutants. And these guys are using a 4-stage filtration system. They have a pre-filter, and then you remove the pre-filter. You remove that pre-filter and it's going to showcase to you the carbon filter. This is a removable carbon filter. You can get multiple filters. They do come, I think, in multiple per pack. You're going to be replacing the carbon filter probably every about a month. You're going to wipe off the screen on your pre-filter probably every week or two, depending on if you have pets. And this is the HEPA filter built inside. They have a 1-inch HEPA filter. So the key part of the Coway is that all the components are separate. They're not just one filter with everything attached to it. These are all separate components. So you have the ability to compartmentalize and change different of the HEPA filter and other features at your convenience. Now, let me share another thing with you guys on the Coway is that the HEPA filter is thick, and this is the HEPA filter after about, I would say we've been using this HEPA filter for about 6 weeks. So as long as you clean all of your parts, it's going to be lasting you a long time. So the Coway is coming with a CADR score of 246. But is that the best CADR score? No. However, it sometimes depends on also the package. So I've used this in a room up to in my bedroom, which is about 20 by 15. So that's about like 320 square feet. This can refresh the air for up to a 361 square foot room every 12 minutes. And that is actually very impressive, even compared to the newest competitor. This is also utilizing an auto mode that uses the sensor here, and these sensors is how it detects the air quality in the room it's in. And they have an all air quality sensor up here that's going to change based on the air quality in the room. Why would you ever purchase the Coway, or why would you get this for yourself? For one, it's quiet. For two, it has an eco mode, so you can save money over time because you're basically going to just leave this on 24/7. This has a filter reset that's going to let you know when to replace the carbon filter or the HEPA filter inside. Now, I got to sit down for this because this is also getting really nitty-gritty and important. So, how do you decide if this is the right air purifier for you? I don't think you can make a mistake. It has a really cool retro design, very Andy Warhol-y. And if you want it to be less reflective, just get the white colorway. If your reflective is good and you like it black, get the black colorway. If you're looking for a air purifier that's also very quiet, these are extremely quiet. And even Wirecutter and I believe Consumer Reports has this one of their most highly rated air purifiers. That's because it works. And after 3 years later, I can guarantee that it works very well because it works well for me. So I hope it well works for you. Thanks, guys. This is David with the French Close signing off. Bye, bye, bye.